Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that loves to roam around open, dry, stony areas. The Indian stone-curlew. The Indian stone-curlew or Indian pygmy is a species of bird in the family Burhinidae. Large bizarre-looking shorebird with a streaky brown plumage and piercing yellow eyes. This species is found in the plains of South and Southeastern Asia. Black and white wing pattern visible in flight, most active in dusk or at night, often hiding away under shady vegetation by day. Favors dry areas including fields, thorn forest and dry riverbeds. Vocal after dark. Their calls are like locally named Yurasiya Golu Kirala. I have not seen the Indian stone-curlew. In Sri Lanka, there are many bird parks, but you find the biggest bird collection at the Hambantota Bird Park. Unfortunately, all the birds are caged, but you do find many birds, including bird of paradise. And you can mingle with the birds as well.